All right, spousal maintenance. It's also called alimony, spousal support, but in Illinois we call it maintenance. Essentially, this is money from one spouse to the other after the marriage. This is awarded when one spouse has a significant income compared to the other one. Every situation is different, so the length and the amount are going to depend upon your unique factors. So in Illinois, we have a formula, and it's 33 minus 25, but no more than 40. So what that means is we take 33% of the net income of the payor, we subtract 25% of the payee's income, and that amount is considered our tentative maintenance amount. But there's the no more than 40. So whatever that number was, we take that income, we add it back to the payee's income, and whatever that number is cannot be more than 40% of the combined income. So when can a court deviate from guideline maintenance? Whenever it sees fit. So there's a variety of things that go on. So it's always up to the judge to decide what makes the most sense in these circumstances. The formulas, the guidelines, the statutory factors, they're there to give judges guidance. Ultimately, it's their decision as to what makes sense under your circumstances. So spousal maintenance is going to last proportionate to your marriage. So if it's a short marriage, it's going to be a shorter amount, if anything. If it's a longer marriage, for example, if you've been married for 20 years or more, it's typically going to be the length of the marriage or indefinite maintenance, which means you're going to continue to pay that until there's a substantial change in circumstances, such as a good faith retirement. So when it comes to maintenance, it's really important in the very beginning that you understand you can make maintenance non-modifiable. This means that it's locked in no matter what. These are the exact terms. Unless you have that, it is considered modifiable, which means it can be changed under any substantial change in circumstances, or it can be terminated if the statutory factors apply. Now, let's talk about a substantial change in circumstances. What does that mean? A lot of times clients are looking for an exact percentage or an exact formula, but it's really unique to your set of facts and circumstances. For example, if one of the parties' incomes significantly changes, that may be a substantial change in circumstances to come back. If there's a job change, a job loss, that may be a substantial change. If somebody comes into money suddenly, that may be a reason to come in. The bottom line is you should speak with your attorney to make sure you understand if your situation qualifies.